Poco Launcher 3.0 coming in March 2021 and Poco F1 might get Android 11. Let's talk about this. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And well. Okay, take a deep breath, Munchie. Anyways, jokes apart. I was sitting on my computer, saw this Telegram post on a very famous group, and they say that Poco Launcher 3.0 is coming in March of 2021 and that Poco F1 might get Android 11. And the link which they point you to is a post on the Poco Global forums. And I read it and I was like, oh, well, doesn't get any worse than this. Now, personally, no offense to the person who wrote that post, but it's more of someone who's a Poco fan, been using a Poco phone for quite some time, decided to write a post. That's what it is. This dude is not somebody from Poco official team. He even adds his Gmail address on the post, which of course for security reasons I have blacked it out because I don't want to be the one who's spreading someone's email address or personal information on my videos. So this dude goes on to say that Poco F1 will get MIUI 12.5, which it might, and he also goes on to say that Poco F1 will get the Android 11 update in early 2021. And then if you go down and read the comments, he does track back. He says that Poco has already provided the Poco F1 with two major OS updates, and there is no guarantee that Poco F1 will get Android 11 update. So he himself tracks back on his comments, and whatever timelines he's giving over here are made up by himself, because later down the post he says that Poco Launcher 3.0, the testing is going on and the update will come after MIUI 12.5 update. What the heck does MIUI 12.5 update have to do with Poco Launcher 3.0? Poco Launcher 3.0, as per their official Telegram group, does not even exist, right? It's been in testing for almost 3 months now, waiting for Xiaomi team to integrate it, all those things. Poco is an independent brand. We should not even be talking about Xiaomi over here, but we always do because Big Daddy will always remain Big Daddy. And then he goes on to say if it will not come with 12.5, it will come with MIUI 13. Or I can add, if it does not come with MIUI 13, it might come with MIUI 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I can keep making up things as much as I want to, right? And he also gives a timeline that do not expect it before March 2021. Now, I by no means want to bash this dude, but who I am trying to bash here is the Poco forum moderator. Here is somebody who's making claims on your forum and the post is still up. He's responding to the comments and he's not even a Poco employee or a Poco representative or say the forum admin or forum moderator. Tomorrow I can go and create a post there. Oh, hey, Realme just bought the independent Poco brand of Xiaomi. Are you gonna believe it? No, right? So my whole point of making this small video is that this is all but somebody's opinion posted on the official Poco forum, which I think should be taken down because it has no facts. Another super funny thing which I noticed is that if you go to the official Poco India Telegram group, and there if you ask anything about Poco launcher, they have the bot set up to respond to you, right? That the changes have been done and it will come out in the next update. Do not ask too much, otherwise you will get a free warning. And if you want the latest update, they link you to Poco India's Twitter account. Now if you go to Poco India's Twitter account, their official Telegram group is linked in their profile, which is the same group where you previously asked for Poco launcher update. So as an end user, you are like, where the heck do I ask for it, right? You are taking your own sweet time updating an issue which has been there for ages, and when as an end user I am asking for an update, I either get threatened with a free warning or go and ask on Twitter where nobody responds because they're busy promoting their new devices and the new sales which they are having. So I find it very funny. Don't know about you peeps. Do let me know via comments below.